Alright guys, so I just got out here, out at the rec center, recreational center, if you will, and there's a pond out here, looks kind of good. I've fished it quite a few times. I've caught one bass out of here in my entire time ever fishing here, and my friend has caught, hung into about a 3-pounder or so. Yesterday I went fishing and caught about a 5-pounder. It was down at White Oak Lake, but I didn't get that on video because I couldn't. So I'm gonna head down here, start fishing. There's a few juicy trees and a nice dock over here. I'll show you what they look like. And yeah, right now I think I'm just gonna start with this little brush hog right here. See if I can't hook into a big old bass. Okay, yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in my little backpack back here, and we'll see. Ooh, water looks a little dirty. I'll show you what. Okay, so that's pretty much for sure a bass, and it's like scaring off a whole bunch of like bluegills that are up there on its bed. I think that's a bedding fish, so I'm gonna see if I can't catch him. Might even throw a top water over top of him, because take off my backpack real fast. Okay, alright. I'm gonna try something else on real fast. We're gonna probably go with the little poppers. Hey, and there's people like this that like to just leave their trash here. So nasty. Just, there's a trash can, they're right there. Just pick it up and take it with you. It's really not that hard. Look, bluegill. I don't know if you can see them, but they look just like this thing. So I'd actually be very surprised if I actually caught something on this thing, because I'm not so sure that there's even, bass here. But I'm going to take this piece of trash over here and throw it away while I'm okay. So my phone, which is also my camera, is currently at 14%. So we're going to have to stop recording stuff, because that's my way of getting home. I have to text basically my aunt. Yeah, you could say that. to come get me, because she's who dropped me off. So I'll have to text her to come get me. So the only time I'm going to be recording now is either when I catch something, get a bite, or I'm fixing to leave and doing the outro. So yeah, talk to you a little bit if, what I just said happens. So, alright, so I'm fixing to tie on a spinnerbait. And I just pulled up my little square bill here, and look. Clam, caught a clam, little Asian clam. So I think that's what this is, I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, correct me. I'm just gonna throw him back, I don't need him. I think I'm gonna tie on a spinnerbait. This water might just be a little too dirty for them to actually see a whole lot, if anything. So I'm gonna tie on a little spinnerbait. Okay, so I ain't got any bites, it's fixing to get dark. So I'm gonna tie on popping frog or something. I'd make one more cast with this because I think I might see something, and then I'm gonna tie on popping frog, fish with that around this thing until dark, and I'll text my aunt to come get me. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen right now. Hey, guys, I saw this fry garter. I watched him eat it. Oh, buddy. Oh, he got it. Woo! Dang. Gill hooked him. That's not real good. But I saw him. I mean, he's about like half-pound or something. I watched him eat it. I mean, he really ate it too. He ate it. Dang it. Wish you hadn't done that. But, plus note, I did say I wanted one fish, and I got one fish. So, I got what I wanted. I didn't want him to die though, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and toss him back. Maybe he'll live, probably not. Definitely not gonna live. But, you know, there's bluegill over here. I just wanted to catch him. I didn't want him to die or nothing. Sorry, buddy. Man, that ain't what I wanted to do, but I got, you know, I could see that fish down there. And, man, I didn't want that to happen at all. Well, dang, that's disappointing. That's real disappointing. But I got one. I got it on a one-aught little wacky rig hook with some biospine exosticks. And, I mean, I watched him eat it. I really didn't. Dang. I wasn't supposed to choke it. Whatever. That's not good.